Welcome to Pizza 64. Recently, we transformed this space with our Bodaq interior film, all while keeping the doors open for customers. Bodaq's installation process is designed to be clean, quick, and noiseless. An ideal choice for busy businesses looking to refresh their look without sacrificing time or productivity. With no dust, noise, or hassle, our installations offer a seamless solution that saves time and money, letting you keep operations running smoothly. Bodaq can give your space a new life without the downtime.